Here's a wolf dog, made in China. Little 4-pin, it looks like. Got it. K1 lock. So, let's see what I can do with it, maybe. There we go. It kind of felt like it had a little counter rotation on the pin. Alright, let's take the keys out. Lock it back up. See if the keys work, which they should. Yes, beautiful. Put the key back in the shackle. Alright, here is the wolf dog. Thanks for the lock, K1. Let's see if I can pick something else before the phone starts ringing. People locked out of cars and houses. Alright, everyone be good, be safe, be legal. Thanks for watching. Let's see what else I can do. Thanks.